Hey gang, welcome back. We're here to help you figure out how to do some pop-up windows so the kids can see the bell schedules on your home page or anywhere you want to put them. This is probably the most advanced thing we'll do here, but it's actually not too bad. I've created a code that will make it fairly simple for you to find out where you need to place all these items. So let's just go ahead and get started. Go down to your different buttons here, and we're going to click on Bell Schedules and Pop-Up Windows. Now, I've placed the examples in here so you can see them. So if the kids want to know what the schedule is going to be for the regular bell schedule, it'll look like this. So they'll have the regular day. Just had a 2-hour delay yesterday, so we've got this, which could be helpful for the kids, and then the pep rally schedule if they want to use that. So those are the pop-up windows and the bell schedules. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the pop-up window to get the access code. So I'm going to do this in a different tab, which will take me to here. And basically, you are going to copy this entire code here. Now, before we do that, here's a couple pieces that we want to be able to find later on, because when you paste this, it's not going to be red anymore. But these are the areas where we're going to have to do some coding, which, again, it's very simple, but I made them in red here so you could kind of see it. But essentially, you just go ahead and go through and copy this code. Once you have it copied, now you can go back to your home page. And we're going to go ahead and find out where we want to put it. Now, if you want to just put it at the very bottom, it's very simple. If you want to put it somewhere, maybe after the contact me, that would be a good idea as well. Or maybe after the agenda, or maybe after the syllabus, wherever you want to put it, it's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and edit my home page. And for me, I think I'm going to go ahead and put it after today's agenda. So I'm going to find a space here in between today's agenda. Now, this is the little trick for people that are coding, so we know where to put it. I'm going to go ahead and put a line of X's so we can find out what that looks like in the coding. But again, if you put it all the way down at the bottom, you don't have to do that at all. So you can just simply put it down at the bottom and you're ready to go. But if you want to put it somewhere else in the page that's not at the top or bottom, sometimes it's hard to find. So we're going to go to the HTML editor. You are going to become a coder right now. So go ahead and hit the HTML editor. Now I'm going to look for that line of X's, which is right here. So I know this is where I want my pop-up windows to be. If you are a person that put it at the very bottom, it'll be directly underneath this. So you would just hit this and then hit enter a couple times, and then that essentially will be where you're at. I'm going to go back up here to where the X's are, and I'm going to actually just go ahead in between the carets. I'm going to paste my code. Okay, so I'm going to hit save. And now you'll see that those pop-up windows are there. Now, we have not entered any images just yet. Again, if yours are down at the bottom, they'll be there. But when I click on it, it's going to come up, enter your image link here. And we don't have those images just yet. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the pop-up window bell schedule, which is why I used it as different tabs there. And if I click on Save Images, click here to save the images. It's going to take me to this here, and these are the 3 images that we're going to use. Okay, so I'm going to right-click and hit Save Image As. And then I already have it to where it should probably already populate what you wanted to say. And then you're going to go to Pictures and you'll save it inside of there. Okay. And then you'll go down and click on this one and save image as. And again, it should populate the name. If it doesn't, just add in whatever name you want and put in Pictures or a place where you can find it. And then you'll do the same here and save this image as well. Okay. And it'll pop up just like that. All right, now I've already done this, so that's why I'm not going through and doing it myself. But then you'll have these 3 images already saved. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the home page. We got to go back to edit. And now we need to find where our HTML code. So this is essentially the way it's going to look on your editing. So you got to go back to the HTML editor. And we're going to go to this area here, which is where we're at. And notice it's not red anymore, but here is enter your image link here. Okay. So this first one is going to be your regular bell schedule, which you can see right here. It's the regular bell schedule. But that first image one that you see here, you're going to go in and you're going to go to your images. And you're going to have to upload a new image and find where you saved it. Okay. For me, I've already uploaded them. So I'm going to go here to the regular bell schedule. Okay. And I'm going to click on it. And now it's going to replace that enter image link, and it's going to replace it with the actual image. So I'm going to go down to here. This is the 2-hour delay. So I'm going to go to where it says enter your image link here. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go to my 2-hour delay image and click. And then the last one is going to be my rally schedule. Here's the pep rally schedule. I'm going to go up here and highlight enter your image link here. And I'm going to click on the rally image that I've created. And then that is it, my friends. You hit save. And when you scroll down, you're going to see that these are still here, but now they are going to pull up those windows. So if I look at the regular bell schedule, there it is. The 2-hour delay schedule, there she is. And then the pep rally schedule. There she is. So you have all your schedules there for you. Kids can access those. And as we scroll down through here, we now have access to all of those codes, or all of those schedules, which is kind of neat. So the other one thing that I did want to show you, when you click edit now, it is going to look a little crowded on your homepage, so don't freak out. But these images will actually be here with what the button says. So this is your button. This is the image that it's taken it to. So these will show up now on your homepage, rich content editor. So it is there now, but essentially that's where we're at. So thanks a lot, and let me know if you have any questions.